Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm doing an unboxing video for the April monthly subscription box for your creative studio, and I received it not too long ago, and I want to see what's inside, and I thought I'd share with you guys and see what's inside the fun box full of vintage theme craft supplies. Especially it's perfect for junk journaling, or if you're into vintage theme crafting. So this is the card that comes inside, and it sort of gives you an idea of what the theme will be. So I'm thinking it's something to do with a shell theme, vintage supplies, and this is the box and how it's wrapped up. And I'm going to put down below the Your Creative Studio online store if you're interested in subscribing and receiving their monthly kits. And it's always jam-packed full of fun stuff in here, and it's pretty much ready for you to work with. So I'm just going to take everything out of the box, and I was get really excited to see what's in here. So it might be easier this way. So this is all the fun stuff. Let's see what we've got inside this time. So this one, you normally get like a cling stamp as well. So I'm going to open this and see what's inside. And then hopefully I'll be able to do another video and create some fun projects for you. If you've also received the April kit and you want to see what I've made with the kit. So these ones, you get two lovely stamps, and it's a shell and a seahorse. It's a nice size, fairly large. It's really lovely print. So they get two of those stamps, and there is a box of lace squares. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's heaps in here. Oh, these are like the same labels that I had received in one of my other boxes previously, but I think they were rectangle shaped label stickers. These ones are square, and they come in green, blue border, a blue color border, green and red. Look at that, you get a ton of these, and they're stickers, so you can just peel these off, and you can use these to collage your journal pages. You could stamp on these. So there's a ton of these. This will get you, through a lot of the projects with these. So they get those in there, and then there are not so sure what these are. You get 40 pieces. They look like ephemera pieces, die cuts, I think. Oh, there's some lovely vintage style ephemeras. These are great for collaging, or working on tags. You could add these onto tags, or so many ways you could use these. These are just some more little pieces. So there's a ton of those. Can't wait to work with these as well. And then there is also these. I think these are papers. These aren't stickers. And then you get, I think, two of each of these. There's a few of these. These are pretty as well. I like these. These are nice. Oh, I could work with these. So as I go through and sharing with you what's inside the kit, I'm just working my brain to see what I can make with these as I'm looking at these, and I've got a couple of ideas already. You also get some washi tape, and this one, and their washi tapes are really lovely to work with as well, and they're great to add borders to your pages, or use them to adhere your pages as a hinge. It's a really nice vintage theme washi tape. Let's see. See some of the pattern. It's beautiful. I like these. It's got some shell, because I'll go this way. There's some shell images. So that's how it looks like. Nice, like deep green tone colours and browns. So that's the washi. And then there is some more papers, I think, in here. There's a ton of these. Look how many you get. Oh, this is cute. And then these look like recipe papers, vintage style recipes. This is spaghetti, tomato sauce spaghetti bolognese. These are great if you're working with like a recipe themed journal. You can add these to your recipe theme. You can even make little like note cards and adhere these. And it even gives you the recipe to make these chocolate treats. So I think you get a few of these. I think you get 4. You get 5 of each of the same images in here. So you get 5 of these and 5 of these. These are lovely. I like these. All right, so there's a ton of these in here as well. So some vintage recipes, images. That's nice. And then there is a pack of ephemera pieces. Oh, there's a heap of these. These are nice. Look at these. Heaps of them. These are great for making some embellishments. And these large ones would be great too, like for a tag. You can just punch a hole and then you've got yourself a tag. And you can, there's room there to write a little note or a message. So there's a few of these fun sea themed die cuts. Some starfish, some shells. There's these images. Some are nice and large, like these ones here. Like jellyfish. It's a bit, I mean, it is different from having some recipes and then having some shell theme in the kit. But, I mean, that's great as well, because then you can have 2 different theme projects that you can make with these in the one kit if you wanted to. An octopus. So there's a ton of large ones, little ones, teeny ones, medium-sized ones. So there's a few of those to play around with. We also have a pack of faux postage stamps, which we all love if you are into junk journaling and making collages. Look at these, is lovely. You could never have enough of these. That's pretty. This is a nice one too. Yeah, I've got a project in mind that I'm going to make, and I'll share it with you hopefully in my next video or so. That's a nice one. So I just dropped a few. So you get a great bunch of these to play with. And even the backing card in the packaging, you can reuse these and use these as well into your project. So that's another pack of faux postage stamps that you get in the pack. This is another cling stamp. Let's see, we get 2 of those. So there's 2 of these. There's a lighthouse. It's another nice large one, and a shell, which is the same. I think it's the same image as this on the card. So that's the 2. So altogether there are 4 stamps in the kit. Nice, good size stamps. So that's those. And there is a pack of sticky notes. And this is also a shell theme sticky note. So that's those. And these are great. I sometimes tear these and then layer them and make collage pages out of these. And I think these are great. Got a few of these. They're all the same. So you get a shell theme sticker note pack. And there is another pack of shell theme papers, I think. Paper ephemeras. These are nice. I like the texture and feel of these papers. And it's a nice size as well. And you get 2 of each. Images, I think. 4. So there are 4 of these. Shell, the octopus, which is the same theme images as these die cuts. So there's, I think, 4 of these. Yep, there are 4 of those. And then there's these ones. This is I like this one. This is a great one. There's 4 of those. And there's this image. There's this one. This is a nice one too. Oh, I like this one. This is nice. Seahorse. So that's those. And I think there are a couple more in here. This is a pack of, oops, just get this one out of the way first. Masking sticker set. It's probably similar to like washi, I would say, like washi tape, just on a sheet. It's got some nice images on here as well. So I think they just peel off. Yeah, so they're just like stickers, like a sticker strip. And these are all the images on this sheet. So they're nice, like shabby theme images. Very pretty. And this is another one. I think you get 2. This one. Okay, these ones, there's 2 of these. So these are all the lovely images on here. And then there is this one here. These ones are a little bit larger. So, but you can also tear these if you wanted to. You don't have to. It's actually it's a, I think you get 2. Oh, so okay. So there are 2 of each. And you can also tear these if you wanted to. These perfect. I like these too. So there's 4 sheets of these. And then I think there's a couple more items in here. There is a little a sheet of clear shell stickers. They're like on the clear. So these are cute. We've got a few of these to work with. And then there is a pack of, these feel like a tissue paper or rice paper, very thin, 6x6 paper. Just don't want to tear them off the sticker here. The very fine paper. So it's even thinner than tissue paper. That's pretty. They're 4 of the same images. There's 4 of those. Love the colour tones on these vintage style prints. So these are all the fun things that you will get in the April monthly kit. If you're interested in purchasing the April kit, there may be still some left in her shop. So I just want to share with you what you get inside if you're interested in purchasing the April kit. And I'm also going to share with you a couple of fun projects using these fun pieces, and I may even incorporate with some of her other pieces from her previous boxes as well, because I like to sometimes mix them up as well. So hope you will join me for some of the projects, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.